Good morning students. Today we are going to learn write the next three equivalent fraction. First, you understood what is meant by equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means if two or more fractions having same value, if two or more fractions having same value called as equivalent fractions. So I have take here one example, 4 upon 5. Write down this fraction, equivalent fraction. So in a numerator you write a table 4, or in denominator write a table 5. So 4 upon 5, 4 2s are 8, 8 upon 5 2s are 10 is equal to, then 4 3s are 12, then 5 3s are 4 3s are 12, then 5 3s are 50 is equal to 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20 is equal to 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So write down in this way and then you check your answer is correct or wrong. See here, 4 upon 5, then 8 upon 10 we get 4 upon 5. See here, 8 upon 10, 8 is present, 8 and 10 is present in a 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So fraction having same value, 8 upon 10. So having 4 upon 5 we get, when you divide by 2 then we get 4 upon 5. Same here, 12 upon 15. 12 and 15 is present in a 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 50. Then in next 16 upon 20, 16 and 20 present in a 4. 16 upon 20, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Then 20 upon 25 present in a fifth place. So you divide by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So all fractions having same value, 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5. So these fractions called as a equivalent fraction. See here next example, 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is equal to, so in a numerator you write a table 1, 2, 2 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 12 is equal to 4 upon 16 is equal to 5 upon 20. 5 upon 20. So all fractions having same value. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. So 1 upon 4 we get here. 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. 4 1 are 4, 4 4 are 16. 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20. So all fractions having same value. So next example, 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 2s are 10 is equal to 5 3s are 15 is equal to 5 4s are 20 is equal to 5 5s are 25. In a denominator write a table 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So all fractions having same value. So next example, 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 is equal to, so again right here in a numerator table 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. In a denominator 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So all fractions having same value. 5 1 are 5, 5 6 are 30, 4 1 are 4, 4 6 are 24, 3 1 are 3, 3 6 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. So all fractions having same value, 1 upon 6. So this is the equivalent fraction. Fifth one, 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So remaining examples, you do it. 6 1, 2 upon 7, 7th, 3 upon 7, 8, 5 upon 9, 9th one, 4 upon 10, and 10th, 4 upon 7, 4 upon 7. These 5 examples, you do it. So next topic. Reduce to the lowest terms. Reduce to the lowest terms. So see here first example, 12 upon 18. 12 upon 18 is equal to. So see here 12 and 18 is present in a 2 or 3. So you divide by highest number. So 3, you divide by 3. So 12 divides 3, then 18 divides 3. Then we get answer 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. 3 4s are 12. Then 3 6 are 18. 4 and 6 also present in a 2. So again 4 and 6 you divide by 2. 4 upon 4 divides 2. 6 divides 2. Then we get answer here 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So your final answer is here 2 upon 3, the 12 upon 18, this is the lowest form, 2 upon 3 is the lowest terms, so this is the answer. See here in our next example, 30 upon 70, 30 upon 70. So you know 30 upon 70, 30 and 70 which table present? Only 10, only 10. So you divide by 10, or in a simple way you cancel the unit place 0. Unit place 0, in both the number in unit place 0 is present. So first you cancel it. So we get answer 3 upon 7. This is the answer. So you write here 30 divides 10, then 70 divides 10, then we get lowest term answer 10 3s are 30. 10 7s are 70. This is the answer 3 upon 7. This is the lowest term for 30 upon 70. So next take. Third, 10 upon 20. 10 upon 20. So again 10 upon 20. 10 and 20 is present in a 5, in a 2, or also 10. So you divide 10, highest number. 10 divides 10, then 20 divides 10, Then we get answer here. 10 1s are 10, so 1, and then 10 2s are 20. So your answer is here 1 upon 2. Then fourth one, 21 upon 28. So 21 upon 28. So 21 upon 28 is present in a 7. 21 upon 28 is present in a 7 table. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So you directly divide by 7. 21 divides 7 upon 28 divides 7. Then we get 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So your answer is here 3 upon 4, and here 3 upon 4 is not present in any table, so only 1 itself. So now only itself number is divided. So here your answer is 3 upon 4. So remaining examples you do it. Fifth one, 30 upon 42. Sixth one, 45 upon 60. 7. 36 upon 48. 8. 36 upon 54. And 9th, 60 upon 72. So you write down in this example, you write down in lowest form. So next topic, convert the following fractions into improper fractions. Convert the following fractions into improper fraction. See here in our first example, 3 integer 1 upon 3. 3 integer 1 upon 3. So this mixed fraction, this is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of integer and proper fraction. Combination of integer is 3 and proper fraction is 1 upon 3. So combination of integer and proper fraction, so called as a mixed fraction. So this value is converted into improper fraction. How? So see here, 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. Then denominator value you write as it is 3. And then write down the answer. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 upon 3. This is the improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. The next example, 6 integer 1 upon 2 is equal to. So again same process follow here. 2 multiplied by 6 plus 1. 2 multiplied by 6 plus 1 upon 2. Then write the answer. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 upon 2. This is the answer. The next, 7 integer 2 upon 3. 7 integer 2 upon 3. So again same process. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 23. 3 multiplied by 7 plus 2 divides 3. Denominator you write down as it is. No change in a denominator. Only change in a numerator. So we get here improper fraction. 3 7 are 21 plus 2 23 upon 3. This is the answer. Next, fourth one. 8 integer 4 upon 9 is equal to. So again, 9 multiplied by 8 plus 4 in a denominator, write 9. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72 plus 4 76. 76 upon 9. This is the answer. So remaining examples you do it. Thank you.